out in nature. And what? That is a Stave Church. Let's check it out. Okay, first of all, look at all this cool nature. Love it. And this was supposed to be built in the 1100s. Wow, that's old. I actually didn't know it was such a tourist destination. I just wanted to go to a Stave Church. I looked it up, and then we came, but there's so many people. Like, there's so many people here. It's insane. And there's tickets. Tickets to go inside. You don't need tickets just to, like, look at it. I hope not. I don't have no ticket. There's a whole visitor center, museum, and everything. It's pretty dope out here. See? And the bathroom costs money. Oh my God.